Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. I've got the Anna Griffin Window Box Pop-Up Card Making Kit. This is the first auto ship from the basket card making kit, and this is a card kit that makes 20 cards and includes everything that you need in the box. This is the information sheet that comes with the kit. It comes with some really great examples, and then it has the instructions telling us exactly how to assemble our pop-up card, and these instructions look pretty detailed and easy to follow. And I'm gonna unbox the contents of the kit, and then we're gonna make a card out of it. So let's get started. These are all the pieces that we're going to need to put together the window box. The first thing we're going to start with is the window box panel and the window pane. And we want to put adhesive. They didn't actually put a place, but you just put it where the window kind of sits right below the ledge. I am going to be using liquid glue throughout this whole video because it gives me that little bit of wiggle room that I need to be able to maneuver the pieces in case that I don't put them on straight or whatever. Now this does have the score lines already applied to it, so I'm just folding up all of the score lines. And I'm not going in the order of the directions because I'm not even looking at the directions. I'm like just seeing if I can figure out how to put it together without looking at the directions. So if you're watching this video, you can watch and read the directions. That might be a good idea. So I'm folding down all of these little folds that are on the window box panel, and I'm just gonna glue them down. And because it is a heavy cardstock, I do have to hold them to make sure they don't pop back up, or you can always put something down over the top of them and wait for them to dry. This piece is the box base, and on the bottom it has B tabs and C tabs, and we're gonna align the B tabs that are on the window box panel with the B tabs that are on the bottom of the box base. And all of those tabs are actually the outer tabs, so if you just put all the B tabs in the outer slits, you're good. The next thing we're going to do is add the interior panels. So there's two of those, and they go in the inner slots of the box base. So if you just put those in there, make sure that you have already folded them on the score line, and then just start with them not facing each other, and then put them facing each other. So all the slits, all the whole back of the box base should look like pink stripes or whatever color your window box is you're making it. It should all be that color. And so you shouldn't see the letters anymore. You should only just see colors. Now we can close our box up. So just take that A tab and connect it in and make sure that it's level and aligned with the rest of the rectangle. And I'm just going to wait for that to dry, and we're good. Now that we have pretty much everything together, we're going to put in the accordion panel, which is going to hold the interior panels away from each other so that they don't connect to each other, and that gives us more places to put our flowers. I'm going to put glue on each of the letters, and where the letters line up on the interior panels, I am going to stick those inside and hold it down until it's done setting. The last and final thing we'll do before decorating is folding the sides in and folding the base in so it all can lay flat like it would inside of the card. Isn't it so cute? I just love this pink color and all the gold foiling on the outside. It looks like a real window box. These are some of the pieces that came in the kit, and I just kind of separated them out so that I could easily grab whichever ones I was going to use to decorate the inside of the window box card. And before I just turn the music on, I want to just say that I feel like she did not give us enough flowers and enough topiaries and enough gold foils to make the 20 cards like where you could really just go to town. I wish that there was more embellishments in the box to make our window box card. If any of you have made this window box card, you may have felt the same way. If so, let me know in the comments section below. Because when I look at this information sheet and I see how many different flowers that it has just in each one, and I counted them, I was like, if I did that on one card, I would probably be able to make 10 cards, not 20. So it was like I had to be a little bit more conservative or pull things from my other stash. So yeah, that's just how I feel about the amount of embellishments that were included in this box. This is our finished window box card. It was a little bit of a struggle, I won't lie, but I didn't like the way the back of it was, everything was just exposed, so I just used one of the other window panes to trace out the shape out of just a plain, well, out of this piece of cardstock, and I'm just going to glue it over the back of it just to make sure that it's not exposed, all of the, you know, inner workings of this window box card. Now let's decorate the front of our card. And what we're gonna see is that not all of them have adhesive. So the rectangles that has the white backing has adhesive on the back already. It's a sticker. And the ivory backed one, which is the gold foil, is not a sticky back. So if you're looking, sometimes we forget that certain ones have the adhesive on it, and you can just peel it off. Now I still put a little bit of glue sometimes on my adhesive stickers. First of all, it gives me a little wiggle room, which I really needed for this sentiment, and also because I think it just also helps it to stay a lot longer onto your card. So far, the front of this card, the window box, everything is gorgeous. I love it. Now I'm going to put the window box inside of the card, and I'm just going to do that with liquid glue. So I'm going to do the glue one side, close it, glue the other side method. And there you have it, our finished card. I do add a die cut and the signature card, and you'll see that in the photos. And while you're looking at the pretty pictures, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have an awesome day, you guys. Bye.